Prepare for touchdown. In this video, we're bringing you 5 incredible landings aboard the Optimized Realty corporate jet. With stunning views and smooth approaches, each landing is a showcase of skill and precision. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as we take you along for these unforgettable moments in the HondaJet.
Boom, boom, 3 green. Gear is down, gear is down, gear is down.
Why'd you say it 3 times?
I like to say it 3 times.
Just to be fancy?
Fancy is just my SOP. Some people wonder, but call me late for dinner, but don't say I've landed gear up. I like to say it 3 times. You know, if a pilot says pan, 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 or mayday, they say mayday, mayday, but they say it 3 times. And that's so the outside world definitely hears it. But I like to say gear down. I like to check myself 3 times. I'll do it again short final. See people at the beach. Okay, 163. Let's slow it down a bit. And then we're going to go to the last notch of flaps. All right. All right, we're under 160. And about a minute or less, we're going to go last notch of flaps. So that'll be out and down.
Wait, now?
You can do it now. Pull it up and down, okay?
Did I do it? Or is it to approach?
No, you're good. Well, no, let's see, it's not coming down, yeah.
Got it?
Yep. So you verify it here, okay? And you feel the nose coming down. Okay, now I'm adjusting power for what's called VREF, right? I can feel the wind off the left. I see it off the left. I got my feet on the brakes and on the flaps. I'm adjusting power. All right, a little windy. Yeah, I feel the plane compensating. So there's 18 knots of crosswind.
HondaJet traffic on a 1.5 mile final.
Okay, we can go up to 25 knots of crosswind, so we're going to be a crosswind landing.
HondaJet, caution wake, runway 32, clear, touch and go.
500.
That's 500. Pull some power. So you see how we have a crab? We're going to take that out right at the runway.
Okay.
Wind 270 at 15 past 20.
Minimums.
Roger that. Autopilot off now. We're at minimums. Okay, gears down. Power out. That was a little bit fast. Okay, coming in. Right there.
Public Tower Scout 64527.
Good.
Over the monument.
Okay.
Information
And
go.
aileron into the wind.
5,000.
Runway 64527, Republic Tower, straight in, runway 32.
Straight in, runway 32, 64527.
4,000.
Should have been a few knots slower, but it wasn't terrible.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
We're going to recapture that glide slope. A little bit of power. We're coming into it now. There's one red light. Beautiful. Coming into VREF, putting in a little power to hold. And you can see right here, you see that little magenta star? 2 red lights, that's perfect. So, all right, I feel a little wind. It's good, it's fun. Gotta keep up the skills. You can't
500.
let the autopilot have all the fun. Okay, we're fully configured. Gear is down and flaps. So power to hold VREF. Wind is off the right, I can feel it. Okay. Give you a nice landing here. Okay.
Minimums.
Minimums. A little bit high, Come down. Be right on VREF, right on glide slope. That's what we want. There's glide slope. Coming into VREF. Gears down. Okay, pull a little power now. Okay, 1,000-foot marker. Coming up.
Tower Cherokee 1816 English, should have 19 Bravo 3 ready.
Alright,
Public Tower
and brakes.
19 Golf, Bravo 3, line up and wait.
19 Bravo 3, line up and wait, 16 Tango.
3,000.
Charlie to Atlantic.
Yes, sir.
Zeroed up to Charlie, turn right at the end, taxi with me.
Right at the end, taxi with you.
2,000.
Zeroed up to Charlie. Thank you.
Alright, so I'll have to nail the brakes. Give it I can feel the right crosswind, so I'll give it a little right aileron. Now I'm just managing the power. The kinetic energy, the power's actually, we're at full idle. And I see a Cessna off the right, so we'll have to watch him. Power coming out. So in front of us is 4 white lights, and the glide slope over here says we're high, so we're gonna take it down because I didn't put the autopilot in approach mode
Turn right on runway 32.
fast enough. I could have done it with the
left onto Bravo, taxi with you.
autopilot, just told to go down, but it's good to also practice hand flying.
1013,
We're gonna recapture that glide slope. A little bit of power, we're coming into it now. There's one red light. Beautiful. Coming into VREF, putting in a little power to hold. And you can see right here, you see that little magenta star? 2 red lights, that's perfect. So, I feel a little wind. It's good, it's fun. Gotta keep up the skills. Can't
500.
let the autopilot have all the fun. Okay, we're fully configured. Gear is down and flaps. So power to hold VREF. Wind is off the right, I can feel it. Okay. Give you a nice landing here. Okay.
Minimums.
Minimums. A little bit high, a little bit high. Come down. Be right on VREF, right on glide slope. That's what we want. There's glide slope. Coming into VREF. Gears down. Okay, pull a little power now. Okay, 1,000-foot marker. Coming up.
Tower Cherokee 18116, English, should have 19 Bravo 3 ready.
Alright,
Public Tower
and brakes.
19 Golf, Bravo 3, line up and wait.
19 Bravo 3, line up and wait, 16
3,000.
Charlie to Atlantic.
Yes, sir.
Zeroed up to Charlie, turn right at the end, taxi with me.
Right at the end, taxi with you.
2,000.
Zeroed up to Charlie. Thank you. Okay, clear to land, runway 9, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie. Photo, flight of 2, runway 9, clear to land.
Someone left base, runway 9 also, flight of 2. Couldn't make out what he was saying, but they're not on the TCAS. Alright, we're looking good. I don't see any planes on the left, which is... Alright, coming into VREF.
Twin, left turn on the next hard surface.
Oh wait, no, I see him in front of me.
Thank you.
There's someone in front of us, I think. Okay, it's boarding. There's someone in port. Yeah, keep it on 2 mile ring. I think someone just landed before us. Just slow her up. Get the VREF. Just 113, I think. Yep. So power to hold. Power
Photo
to hold.
1, left turn as soon as you can off the runway.
Autopilot's off.
HondaJet coming up a mile final.
Okay, looking good.
Photo 2 is going to Boeing Plaza. Photo 2, say again, sir? Going to Boeing Plaza.
500.
Let's make sure they get off the runway.
Okay, oh man. I need you to go under the grass right now. I'll cross you back over at Alpha, but I got that HondaJet a half mile final. I got to get you off the runway unless you want to go.
Okay,
right.
they're both off.
I'm going right to Boeing Plaza. Okay, you off the
Both
runway?
off.
Off the runway. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, clear to land. Runway's clear. Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to exhibitors.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, very good. Can you continue taxiing up to that
Minimums.
hard surface and
Minimums.
go that way, or do you need to get back on? No,
Down.
all good right here.
Down.
Okay, very good.
Power's out. Coming out. Okay, welcome to Oshkosh. Go ahead, Andre. You were going to say?
Runway's clear.
Okay. Power. Little power to hold. Here's runway 9. Little power to hold. Power to hold. Power to hold. And power's out. Power's out. Nice landing.
5,000.
Yeah, baby. Fassler's at the end. I wonder if he'll let us take it to the end.
4,000.
Yeah, he's not going to care. There's going to be people behind us.
Zero Delta Charlie, can we take it to the end? We're going to Basma.
You're going to go past that next intersection with all those aircraft awaiting to cross, then you're going to make a left turn on the closed runway 523. That'll get you over to the FBO.
Okay, left turn on closed runway 50 Delta Charlie. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Not this left, the second left.
Second left. Now let's look for that runway.
This is busier than it was last year.
Okay, there's a runway coming up. All right, now we're just going for,
Yep.
are you ready?
Charlie, runway 19, you're cleared to land.
Clear to land, 19er, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. All right, I'm gonna,
What did you say you were parking at 0 Delta Charlie?
the usual, Atlantic.
Okay, copy that. You can roll it all the way down to Bravo 6 with me, Bravo, into Atlantic.
With you, Bravo 6, into Atlantic, 0 Delta Charlie. All right, autopilot kicked off.
2 Julia Whiskey, Jones Beach,
Lower,
Yankee, hold up.
2 Julia Whiskey Republic Tower, right down runway 19.
Right down one for 19er, 2 Julia Whiskey.
500.
A little bit of power to hold. Come up a world.
One up, Papa, HondaJet traffic, 11 o'clock a mile, if you don't
Come
mind.
left. I talk to myself a lot. Gears down, gears down. I have one yahoo that said, oh, you said gear down over the threshold. That was a fail. I said, no. That was the third time I said gear down.
Continuing.
Continuing.
And final check.
Papa,
Okay.
follow runway 19,
That's the
37,
rep.
go make right traffic on the go.
Follow min for landing.
Power's out.
Traffic, one up, Papa.
A little bit faster than I wanted. Okay, there's VREP. Okay. And there's a 1,000-foot marker. Okay. And come to the left a little bit. And he said down to the end, so I'm not going to screech the brakes.
3,000.
Otherwise, we could have stopped it much faster.
2,000.
Okay, now I'll use the brakes.
Just 0 Delta Charlie, after you get off on Bravo 6 Bravo and start heading to Atlantic, just use caution. I've got a twin coming out of the Atlantic rim. Use caution for him, please.
Looking for that twin, 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you.